I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell but think about the time when I made it to your first show. Took hours to get there under the weather, but I would do it all again. How do I go from here?
This is a river that we came to see. Hi guys. We are done swimming. I'm all wet.
How the drink limit to your right? There's no possible you can make it?
We don't like this syrup. Hi, girl. I'm ready, yeah.
Wait, you're gonna record it while you're doing it?
No. Look at that. I wrote my name. Cheers. That's an Oreo, I think. Yeah, it is. Look how cool this place is. I'm gonna be skipping. It's currently 6:03 and yeah. Good morning. Hi.
And then feel free to put your stuff wherever you like. My
Okay.
name is Keiko. I'll be the
Late. 7 o'clock. You there? It was a fun ride, honestly. This is the one we went on. It was really fun. Hi guys. Oh, no, you're not. 7. Okay.
Right, grab the red line, please.
Okay.
No, I don't believe in that.
We're on it.
Keep it those same colors.
Wow. I'm gonna go back home. I'm trying to speak more on my vlogs lately, but it's kind of hard. I think there's a place where we could walk on. This is so pretty. Oh my god.
Maybe it's something. Maybe it's nothing. Why can't I hold you? Some nights I get cold too. 4 hours falling. Now I feel nothing.
Yes, I do.